Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our accounts spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HEMC Greece, compliant with ESMA, EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the live session broadcast with Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Current time is 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, all right? You can see right on the screen here we have Forex Factory as usual, just taking a broad overview of the market for the rest of the day. We'll dive into this in a moment. Guys, and make sure to check the description box. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken upon yourself. We're not financial advisors, as stated in the disclaimer at the beginning of the stream. Okay. Couple things here. AAAFX, guys. I usually do this at the beginning of the week. Okay. Make sure to check them out. Okay, these are one of our recommended brokers. Okay, and the other one is HankoTrade. Okay, so check them out, guys. Our link is in the description box. All right, take a scroll through here. Okay, see if you apply or actually are able to get in based on your demographics. Okay, and if not, guys, take a look at HankoTrade. All right, we're very familiar with them too. Like I said, if they make sense to you guys, then download a demo account, and then if you like what they have to offer, then you can obviously fund live. All right. So also, guys, our recommended liquidity platform is Bookmap. Bookmap is probably live right now doing some equities trading. All right. They're generally live throughout the day. All right. Different trading styles for sure. They're definitely not the type of traders that we are while using their platform, but you get the best of both worlds. Okay. So also, guys, a recommended Forex prop firm, okay, is my Forex funds. Stocksnipertrading will give you 5% off. All right. So just take a look, guys. It makes sense to you. Go from there. All right. If not, then choose your own liquidity prop firm or broker on your choice. All right. So you can see right here, guys, like nothing's really showing or standing out to me other than the CNY trade balances. those are happening pretty much tentatively from what you can see on the left, but they're key star folders, so we'll probably have some erratic movement today just based on this. At the end of the week, guys, all right, you know, we have NFP, so let's see on this Wednesday here, so Monday, Tuesday, let's see, Wednesday we also have Mr. Powell testifying, all right, jolts. So today, and sorry, today's not going to be too bad, but Wednesday, and let's take a peek on Friday. All right, guys, Friday is NFP. We have employment change, unemployment rate on Canada, okay, unemployment rate on US, and hourly earnings based on US as well. So Friday is going to be a big day. All right, you can see that there's going to be a little bit longer of a stream on Friday, and that will not be me doing it. All right, I'm away on Friday, so you are going to be getting Big Ron all day. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Let's head over to the charts, guys. Let's take a look at our DXY here. All right, you can see what we're moving on the 5-minute. Let's make it a little higher here. All right, a little bit of consolidation. All right, not out of this range. So I take a look on the 15-minute, and you can see where we're kind of consolidating on that DXY in the 15. Okay, I do have some potential support around 104.350. Okay, so that's going to be our bearish target. So buyers waiting. Okay. Then let's take a look at our higher time kind of ETA, and we're looking at 104.850, just right above. You can see that's where the previous support was holding here. All right, previous break, retest, resistance, holding below. Finally, another impulsive opportunity for the buyers here, and then you can see the sellers took control and dumped it all the way off. Okay, so 104.850, that's going to be my bullish target. And I'm going to have some sellers probably waiting around in that area. Okay, so let's take a look at our 5-minute, guys. All right, you can see what we got going on here. Beautiful price structure and consolidation. All right, so let's start to consolidate this. Make that a little gray consolidation area, which means stay away for now. I'm going to add some support. Okay, 104.550, and my resistance will just be at the highs here, roughly 104.68. Okay, just edit that real quick. There we go. Okay, so DXY is pretty good. I want to wait and see this new hourly here. Okay, it's going to be hopefully a nice little breakout. Okay, we might not get much movement here. There's no real news. All right, and it is Mondays. All right, so we'll watch and see how price is going to move coming into that new hourly. It's looking like they're breaking a structure right here. Okay, so you can see previous level resistance. Okay, it's very similar to the previous level support. Made nice little highs, retest. Okay, and now we're making our way up. I can see if price retests this level right in here. Okay, if we start to break up, make new higher and possibly new higher high. Okay, if price gets rejected here, we can start to fall back down to our 104 previous level buying area. Okay, so that's what I'm watching for in this range right here. So let's go take a peek at gold, guys. Indices are flipping. Okay, let's erase everything here. Let's go to the daily. All right, we're going to see how gold is looking on our daily time frame. All right, guys, did anyone grab the gold sell today on gold? Gold is a beautiful rejection at 1858, right near that 1860 level. Classic retracement move. All right, after a big bullish day coming off from last week. All right, so I see some nice daily resistance here. 1856, 1858 is the wick, so we'll mark that as our daily resistance for now. I might update that just below on our 4-hour here. Okay, we're going to see if that daily support now is going to hold previous wick. All right, and let's drop it down to the 4-hour, guys. All right, so you can even put 1860 as your daily. As I mentioned, break it down on the lowers just to see where that last daily wick went. All right, and then I have some 1840, 1845. All right, so those are dailies. Let's take a look at the 4-hour now. Okay, beautiful 4-hour resistance coming in, roughly at 1855.5. Okay, let's mark that as our 4-hour resistance. Okay, I got some nice 4-hour support just to the left, guys. Preceding nice bullish volume candle here. Okay, hold support, and you can see that once we tap the same level as the previous buyers, okay, we started to get some nice volume step in on the current 4-hour candle. Okay, so I see some nice 4-hour support starting to hold there. All right, let's go take a look at our hourly. Okay, previous level support in terms of the wick. Okay, not candle structure. All right, but more wick structure and previous level candle close. Okay, coming in at 5 a.m. of today. All right, so we can mark our 1-hour resistance here. Okay, we're going to leave the support just alone for now. We'll drop it to our 15-minute. Okay, and some nice support rate kissing that 4-hour. And then you can see around 1848.5, we have that nice 15-minute support starting to come in here. Okay, so we're gonna see now, this is classic, guys. Let's take a look at the 5. All right, so you see the nice rejection area right around in here. Okay, making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low coming in. All right, we're now sweeping back up to the previous break of structure. You see the 1-hour now resistance, okay, acting as previous support. All right, so this is BOS, break of structure. Okay, I can see us if we come back. All right, if gold is still going to continue bearish, all right, you can see there's a nice amount of sellers sitting in this rough area right in here. Perfect. Okay, so I want to see if we're going to come back and retest it again. Okay, you can see candle closure starting to happen. All right, I see some nice 5-minute support just starting to hold. You can see it's once level resistance. All right, so we're pretty good on gold. All right, I'm just going to set some alarms here just in case we do start to break down. All right, but we are still in that consolidation, coming off a volume move here. All right, based on that 1847.5. All right, guys, if we want to do indices today, let's smash these likes up to 150. I'm just going to continue in that kind of goal for today. All right. We did that last week and it worked really well, guys. Everyone was really responsive. It was really good. I have the chats closed down right now. I'm just going to start them up in about 10 minutes right before that new hourly. Okay, just want to watch how price is moving without seeing some text going on. So if we hit bullish momentum on gold, since we are all right on the higher time frames, very bullish in terms of volume, right? Momentum is still very strong on gold. This could have been our pullback. Okay, you can see here nice volume engulfing candlestick. All right, not generally like a lot of other engulfing candles. All right, this one had a nice long wick, but the volume still continued. Okay. Okay, so here's that volume we talked about here on the daily starting to still continue. Let's see if that dollar index is a little bearish here. Yeah, starting to. Okay, resistance on both. And let's take a look now. This is still the first few minutes of the candle open. We can see where we're at in terms of RSI. We'll mark up that 50 line. Just starting to get above. Remember, don't use this 100% for overall entries. Use it for spotting conditions. All right. We'll take a look. All right, so we are below that 9 and 200 EMA. Okay, so I'm looking to see if we're going to come up and tap at 1851 general area here and respect that 200. Let's take a look on the 15. All right, we are above. Okay, if we start to break down, all right, like I said, that 18 daily 1845, 1845, 1846 area will be a target if gold still continues. Okay, so that'll make a new lower low if we come back down here. All right, so that's why I said we got to watch 5-minute and 15-minute time frame. Let's take a look at our scanner real quick. All right, we're neutral on everything right now. Okay, you can see gold is just mid-range, NASDAQ mid-range, US, GJ, oil, and GU. Nothing's really kind of standing out at this time. Okay. Okay, nice sell opportunities here at around that 1856. Same level respected. You can see oil is starting to curl. All right, finding a nice amount of support here. I don't know if you guys noticed the correlation between crude oil and gas prices. When we were done Friday's stream, gas was relatively cheap even into Saturday, but Saturday midday, prices started to catch up and they went nice, steady increase of around, at least in Canada, okay, it was around, it went from 139, all right, to about 148. So steady increase. So a lot to do with that bullish movement that happened on Friday. Okay, and remember guys, it's Monday. Mondays can be one of those days very similar to Friday coming off the weekend. We're going to get market open probably with a lot of volume. So about 10 minutes, guys, until that new 8 a.m. This is the goal, what we always look for on the stream. We just watch and see how price moves right before. Okay, guys, if we smash those likes up to 150, like I said, we'll take a look at NASDAQ or Dow Jones, one of the two. Members, what do you guys want to watch today? Like, I'll have some levels coming in about maybe 10 minutes. You can see Dow started to lift off, NASDAQ a little bit of resistance here. And same with our dollar. Here goes gold, guys, testing. Gold is actually following suit with the dollar. Dollar showing bullish tendencies, okay? You can see gold is coming right back up and testing that 9 hold above, and that 200 EMA is starting to kiss right now. All right, so breaking out of consolidation. Can you erase that? We can start to watch actual price now. David, good morning, man. Welcome to the channel. Make sure to check out the Discord, okay? Make sure to watch the website, all right? In terms of our back-end sign-in, I suggest starting with some of the webinars. They're probably the best way to get started. Okay, trading live can be a little bit difficult at the beginning, okay? But just make sure to watch that and you should be good to go. Everything bullish. Kissing that 200 EMA. Okay, so dollar starting to resist. Okay, gold is starting to fly. We're coming right at that previous breakage structure. All right. So I can see the dollar come right back down, test that 200. Okay, we start to make a break. If not, we're going to see gold just hover around that 209 EMA like it's doing right now. Guys, did anyone hit up the gym this morning, or was everyone mostly trading? I did chest day, chest and tries, a little bit of cardio, walked the doggy 2K, came back, and now I'm getting ready to do this, all right? Been here since 5:30. Oh, we got to cut that back a little bit. I guess that's not too bad, 2.5 hours. Guys, how many people have a strict session that they trade? You know, talk about working out here, all right? The reason why I keep talking about this stuff is, guys, like, how many people find that, you know, I've asked 3 questions now. Hopefully you can keep up with me. You know, that training relieves stress. You know, yeah, guys, see, I feel you. Set routine every morning. I'm the same way, man. Same way. You know, me personally, guys, like before anything, I wake up, I'm an Aries, okay? So I have a lot of energy just naturally. I've always been a morning riser. I've always been up early. When I wake up, I'm like a dog, man, just so much energy ready to rip, right? I think a lot of other people are like that too. So, you know, I find that working out is a huge stress reliever for not only trading, but just for, you know, everyday life, right? So it's good. I'm glad there's a lot of people who are agreeing with me here. I'm glad we have a lot of people who take care of themselves. It's so important, guys. Albin, I do actually. Alexander, you're a bed slug. We gotta get you out of that. Okay, guys, so right now we're showing nice bullish tendencies here. We did start to break the downtrend. Okay, We've got 5 minutes until that new hourly. Downtrend starting to get broken. See here. Now testing the 200 with volume. So let's see here. We started to really kind of break. Let's kind of make a flip. And you can see previous level demand. We're going to see if we're going to get some resistance at this structure here. If not, this thing's going to get pushed back down right at that hourly. Okay. Do I smoke? I smoke weed. It's legal in Canada here, and I'll vape every now and then, but no cigarettes. Horrible, horrible for you. Okay. Holding nice and bullish here. Okay, on the 15-minute, there's still a long wick. All right. So remember, we're coming right back up here. We're starting to test our hourly. Okay. And you can see the previous level structure is right in there. It's in South Africa too. That's okay, guys. Everyone has their thing. I smoke pips. That's the best thing I've heard all day. All right. So gold's coming up, guys. We're going to take a look. Look at NASDAQ and Dow. It's very consolidated. All right. This is, it's beautiful trading. Okay, but it's still very higher highs and higher low structure. All right. You can see on the Dow, same thing. I don't have Bookmap up right now. No, just not right now. I'll probably start it up in about 3, maybe 5 minutes. There goes gold. All right. Bearish DXY here, guys. Bearish DXY coming in. All right, so I'm looking for that bounce at 104.55. If not, okay, then you can see this looks like a head and shoulder pattern here. Whether this actually plays out and holds true, we don't really know. Shoulder, head, a lot of distended shoulders here. Okay, so we're gonna see how this previous level is going to hold. Okay, and this thing looks hella bearish right now. All right, so just under a minute. Yeah, gold is flying. Let's see how far it's flying to. Previous level structure. There it is. And there's just about under a minute. Okay, so there's under a minute right now. So let's take a look at gold right before the hourly. Okay, this is a new hour coming in. We can see the hour momentum and volume coming in on gold. It's bullish, guys. It's bullish. Okay, we built back down into our liquidity pool in the hourly, and you can see nice little bounce based off of the 4-hour wick and then the hourly volume. Okay, so beautiful. Like what I see here. So new hour, all right. Let's watch and see this level right here. On the hourly, we're strong, okay. On the lower time frames, it's bearish. 15-minute, there's a long bottom wick right near that daily. So let's see how it's starting to play out here. Okay, about 4 minutes, just a minute has gone past here, 4 minutes left. And let's go take a look at that dollar, guys. Okay, so it looks like we're starting to break down. This was the area, if you look to the left, see previous level. This is where price started to get some bounce, okay? So we'll mark this up right now, just see how it's going to react. And you can see we're starting to really start to test that 104.55. DXY selling off, gold is breaking down too. Okay, I need this to get away from these moving averages. It's been too much. I like the gold short down to the daily, personally. Okay, or even maybe to 1849. All right, but we'll watch and see this candle close. Yeah, a nice engulfing candlestick here. Let's watch this moving average. For me, this is what I'm kind of looking for today. Okay, and we're just starting to drop, making a new low. I'd like to see us get to that 4 hour and see if we can get back down to our daily here. That's what I'm looking for, but again, we'll have to watch and see structure here in terms of that 9 EMA. Okay, so we'll watch. And if we hold, guys, we're coming back up to 1858, 1857 area. I really would like to see this 9 EMA sell, break through. Look at that volume-based candle, guys. Okay, there it goes. Let's see if this dollar has picked up volume. Everything is dumping, guys. There it is. Okay, dollar's holding so far. All right, so just under 45 seconds, guys. You can see they've been heavy rejected at that 200 EMA, that 1852 area, 1852.5. But again, the first 5 minute, always taking a peek at price before we do anything here. Okay, hopefully you guys are understanding why. The hourly is getting some nice resistance here. Okay, so let's go take a peek. This is now that 1 second close, so let's take a look at the hourly, guys. Okay, you can see how They're starting to close around that hourly resistance, testing that 9 EMA mid-range in the candle, all right? All right. So let's go take a look now. You can see the Dow and Nasdaq is still moving here. I might just stick with gold for now, guys. Give it some volume here. We'll look at maybe 715. Sorry, 815, my bad. Okay, let me take a quick peek here. Okay, guys, so we're starting to dump down on gold. I might take a small feeler sell here. We're going to see, I want to see this candle close. Okay, if not, you're doing it now, just execute smaller lot sizes. Okay, let's just watch and see. I want to see this dollar here, see if it's going to pick up volume. See how they're closed below that 9 and 200. So let's see some more volume sprout coming in. Before we make any kind of movement here. So okay, so we're right around 1850, guys. You can see it starting to hold rough range at that 1850 level. All right. You can see it's still holding, not breaking down. I'm not liking possible breakdowns right now. Okay, so I said give it a little bit of time here. Volume is still possibly stepping in. All right, if we hold on that sell on the DXY, you can maybe get some volume stepping in on gold. US 30 selling off here. Probably gold is going to break down too, due to the volume of the dirty. Okay, and let's see that DXY here is starting to, it made a new lower low on structure. Okay, you can see broke below previous wick, all right, at around 530, and now we're just getting held at this previous wick to the left, which was around 440. Okay, so indices, and gold just in that mid-range, guys. And I'm not looking to do anything today if we if this is going to be the type of volume right now. Like I said, we'll wait. Right, there's no need for everyone to enter in before. All right, got a lot of time left on the session. Take a look at the Dow real quick. All right. take a look at the 15-minute. Nice pattern base. All right, consolidation. It is what it is. All right, let's take a look at this area right in here on the Dow. Okay, nice wick rejection here. So I'm going to look for a nice selling level on Dow, 3343. Okay, so that's what area I'm going to look at. We're holding, okay, new 10 minutes and new 5-minute candle has come in here. So we'll mark an alarm right up in here. All right, just in case. And you can see Goldie starting to get some volume here. The dollar is looking like it's still selling off. Yep, there it goes. So breaking, nice previous level buying area. All right, guys, I have gold on Bookmap up right now. All right, everything's looking nice and strong. We're coming to our first 15-minute candle here. About 3 minutes left. All right, about 2 minutes and 30 seconds here. Just want to monitor that dollar, guys. We'll stay on this for a bit. We'll stay for this for the candle close. Okay, so this dollar looks like it's going to fall, guys. Gold looks like a nice buying opportunity here if we can get some volume closing above. Okay, guys, everything is starting to push. Okay, let's take a look at, there goes oil, guys. Okay, and we talked about big breakout potentially on oil. Watch that 78.65 level here. There's a lot of volume stepping in on oil, even on the 15-minute. You can see nice structure. Let's watch the resistance level at 78.65. And then the mid-range on oil, guys, right around 78.30. Nice hold below. There goes oil. Most likely gold is following suit here. Yeah, there we go. A lot of strength here on gold, guys. All right, let's watch key level resistance. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a small gold buy here. All right, just a small one, 0.01. Okay, the trend is still looking bearish. I just want to see how it's going to fluctuate in and out of that moving average. All right. Remember, this is not something that's large. Okay, gold can still fall. So if you guys do not feel like taking anything like this with me, just sit back and relax. I'm just trying to tell you that I want to have a runner in there, seeing how price is going to react. We're still at a previous level sell. Okay. You can see right there, nice selling momentum. Okay, based on previous level resistance. So we're going to see how this is going to react. Right around in there. Okay, so we're looking for a nice big move. If we can continue, if we get rejected again, okay, we're going to start to close below. Okay, so heavy indecision here. Still riding. Dollar selling off here. Everything is breaking down. Indices. There goes your dollar. Okay, crashing. And you can see here we're right around just those moving averages. A horrible area to be in on gold. Okay. GU, nice big bullish push. Rob, thanks for the update, guys. And take a look at oil. A little bit of resistance at that 78.65. Okay, so NASDAQ is pushing. Let's take a peek at NAS, guys. I have one level here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. All right, remember that we're going to set an alarm here on the indices for NASDAQ. And I can see a range that's starting to hold anywhere around in here. Okay, and same with US 30, nice resistance. And gold is still kind of riding in and out, all right? Just want to check that US 30. We do have an alarm set, same with NASDAQ. Okay, good. All right, anywhere around in this area, guys, looking for some opportunities on the sells on NASDAQ. Okay, short opportunities for the breakdown. I want to see us get in here before. Okay, there goes that dollar. Okay, so these are weak volume candles here, guys. Okay, you can see we're just starting to cross on that 9 and 200 EMA. you can see clean resistance again right out of that supply. Okay, so you can see clean rejection. All right, let's see if these moving averages are going to start to pop. Rejection. Okay, see what I mean? Let's see this test right in here. We're still in that mid-range. Yeah, Damien, I'm in, so let's see, man. I'm looking for that golden cross, inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Gold is still bullish on the daily. Oh, guys, there it goes. Let's see. We need to close above here. All right. See how they're tapping, coming right in there? All right, so let's see if that thing's actually going to play out. We need some closure above. All right. See how touchy this level is? I'm watching this ask and bid price right now on the DOM, guys, on Bookmap. It's crazy. They're putting orders here. All right, the heat map is high red at around 1857, maybe 1858. And the bid price is in control currently right now. All right. So this will be interesting coming into probably our 830. All right. We've heavily consolidated around our moving averages for the last maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, around 30 minutes. All right. So let's see what this first 30-minute candle will bring. There goes NASDAQ. There goes our continuation on the dollar. There we go. NASDAQ is still trying to test in our area. Okay. You can see Dow's pushing up too. All right, strong, guys. Nice and strong here for both indices. You can see gold is still indecision, guys. Gold is not very nice today. And let's see if that pop right through. There it goes. So gold is not following GBP USD at all. Okay, you can see GU is running nice bullish. Okay, gold is, let's see if it's going to follow suit. There it goes. Okay. I'm running 3 pips, guys, on the buy. Okay, so let's see this volume here. Remember we said right above there. Looking for maybe 4 hour. So we got to break through this general area right here. This is the resistance. That's happened twice on gold. So see, so sellers still holding that area, guys. Take a peek. Little resistance in terms of the wick. Okay, let's see if this volume is going to close. All right. We'll set some alarms here. Midpoint. Okay, new candle. All right, we're starting to open up. You can see the moving averages have started to cross. Okay, guys, what are your spreads like right now? Just FYI, it's coming into that 8:30 time. What are your spreads like moving in on gold? If you guys have high spreads, stay away. Okay, look at oil still consolidating. Okay, gold made a new higher high. Nice resistance coming from some supply. All right, here's the retest. Right back to B. Let's see, guys. Okay. There goes Dow. Look at NASDAQ. All right. So NASDAQ's coming to a key area right now for the sells. You can see for bottom level structure here. Okay, a lot of volume coming in. All right, so guys, if you haven't taken anything, just coming to 8:30 time. Generally, 8:30 is when they drop a lot of news. Okay, so if you're not liking anything or you haven't done anything, just watch for this 8:30 to come by. Remember, Mondays generally are those times. Gold retraced back, guys. Okay, so a nice little impulsive push coming back down to break even almost. Okay, and you can see the supply is nice and steady here. Okay, so we could not break this previous level to the left. All right, see all that structure right here, and it looks like the supply is still stepping in. Okay, breaking down. That's why I said to you guys, use a smaller lot size to test this overall opportunity. And if you did, you're coming right back to break even generally around there. Okay, so let's just move this over, see what we're gonna get on gold. I don't want to have it too congested. We just know that there are sellers here. I'm personally holding the small lot buy. Like I said, I'm just gonna hold through. We're gonna see how this is gonna move. All right. And if we do sell off, guys, like I said, we can find some nice opportunity for a probable sell entry. Doesn't really matter 100% too much. Okay, especially when you're using these types of lots. And there it goes. So coming right back. So let's see what's going on with NASDAQ here. Still pushing. Okay, Dow is still printing too. Let's see that dollar here. Okay, a little bit of a bounce, guys. All right, so where did we bounce? 104.25, 104.43. Okay, nice support level holding, 104.3. And we're going to see if that's going to continue to make or break on that dollar here. All right, guys. NASDAQ is printing. I'm watching, like I said, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 area. We're coming to it with a lot of strength. As soon as that taps, guys, like I said, I'm going to look for some in this area for some selling opportunities just because we've been in zone to zone. Dow is starting to print too. Okay, this is showing nice opportunities. And you can see gold is still holding on that 209 EMA. GU starting to rise. Test that 200, and we can see oil. Okay, everything started to fall. All right, guys, so let's see here what's going on in NASDAQ. Ideally, I would like to see it get below that 200 EMA. Okay. Sorry, below that 9 EMA. My bad. Coming near that 200. Okay, that's ideally kind of what I'd be looking for on NASDAQ. Okay, we still haven't tapped that level yet, okay? So we got the alarm set on both directions right now. And if we do break to the highs, guys, before we get any kind of retracement, you can see we're coming to maybe, I would say, 1237. So set up 1237 here, guys. Okay. So if we get near the highs, we can see though it's looking like on NASDAQ, all right? All right. Still waiting. First 5 minutes of that 8:30 candle. You can see Dow is still holding. Gold is still holding around there, guys. All right, so still right around that 200, right around our mid entry point. Okay, you can see right in there, still making some highs. All right, every time they're gathering this wick. Okay, so just watch. From the low here, every time we're coming back down, they're sucking these wicks up like crazy. Okay, break below that 200, sorry, break below that 9, hold it. Okay, break below that 9, hold it. Okay, so they're still holding gold pretty strong here. All right, still showing some inverse head and shoulder action. We can see NASDAQ is still filing blue right now. Nothing even coming close to our area here. And that dollar is still trying to hold. Okay. So dollar's still showing signs of, good volume here. Let's see this 5-minute close. Okay, so selling off here, NASDAQ. Dow coming right back to key, and you can see Goldie just starting to close below, guys. Okay, so we'll give it a move just over a tad. Oh, that was not supposed to be like that. See, it's coming back down. All right, so watch and see if we get back into our 1850 level here. All right, still holding a little strong. Okay guys, this is perfect on the Dow and on NASDAQ here. Though we'd remember it's a small lot size as stated before. So hopefully you guys all understand that. This lot size I could hold for 3 weeks, no problem. Okay, so we're still bullish, guys. Hella bullish on all indices. Let's see if oil has started to break down too. Okay, Goldie's breaking down. Okay, coming back down to our level of previous level demand. And this is a key rejection level coming in. Okay, so that supply was still holding strong. Okay, so right now, guys, I'm down literally $1.40 on that sell. Sorry, on that buy. So I'm going to see now where the momentum is going to step in here, right around these 209 EMA. There goes the Dow, guys. Perfect. And NASDAQ is coming back up too. So if this is the case, guys, then I'm going to look for NASDAQ around this level right up in here. Okay. Volume is still strong. And the buying is still happening like crazy. So watch and see this new candle close. And we can see possible resistance coming in. But this is bullish right now, guys. Okay, so let this thing go bullish. Let it break through. The Dow is probably breaking through as well. DXY is breaking down. There goes the Dow. All right. So we're still strong. Making some new hires here like crazy. Okay, GU holding too. Okay, oil did make a nice little break. All right, there we go. NASDAQ, still strength. All right, let's take a look at this 15-minute. Am I still holding my buy? Yes, I'm down $1.70 on gold buy. Okay, so strength, guys, pushing. Okay, so let's watch and see that 33450. This is strong, guys. Okay. All right, nasty coming in here. We got 4 seconds. Okay, look at this dollar, guys. Still breaking down. Okay, so let NASDAQ push, guys. If we do get a nice resistance level, that'll be some entry position on NASDAQ before market open. Okay. Let's see Dow here. DXY is falling, guys. Looking pretty strong here. So remember, 4 minutes left. We have that 9 EMA. So what can happen here? See how it's not breaking down? Let's see if we get that push. All right. If it does break down, what I can see, you can see how this moving average is right around here. It's starting to close above the structure to the left. All right. It'll be interesting to see if we can get past there. So still looking pretty bullish, okay, but with a little bit of short-term retracements coming in. Okay, let's see if Dow was still respecting it too. Okay, everything. Look at NASDAQ here. Still holding right around that level. All right. Okay, so still holding. All right, so this is a volume break here, guys. It's still looking pretty bullish right now. So this is probably a retest for possible continuation to 12,370. Same with the Dow. They're looking pretty bullish right now. There we go. So you can see here, still flying. Okay, gold is still selling off here, coming right back down to our previous level demand. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here on that next 15-minute candle. GU tank, oil tank too. There we go. And remember we talked about this. Here's the retest on NASDAQ. Let's watch and see that 12,370. Okay, so nothing happened here. Nice big break. Okay, retest volume. Let it go. This is the previous level wick to the left at around 12,000. There it goes, guys. Okay, see the retest. And now we're right at that previous level wick. Now I'm going to start to look at this. So if we come back down there on NASDAQ, that's my level right there. And if we still go high, I'm looking at 12370. Dollar broke down, gathered some volume here. And we're looking like we're going to flip bullish, maybe to 104.46 again. Maybe test the high of that 9 EMA. Okay, and there's NASDAQ, high wick. Okay, so Dow is nice, guys, beautiful high wick. We're still very strong, guys, on everything, okay? You can see gold retesting that 9, still dropping. Okay. So if we break down below here, all right, remember we talked about looking for that daily. I want to see if we can get some resistance coming in. Okay. So still top wick. All right, Dows are still holding. Nasdaq is still holding too. Okay, so mid-range. Let it go bullish, guys. Okay, everything is priming up. Making new highs, guys. Goldie's still holding. Let's stick with that dollar here. Yeah, right in that consolidation. Okay, so long wick. Mark up that range here. Okay, both gold, everything started to switch, guys. Okay, you can see this is the last 15-minute candle, the hourly. Nice rejection below that 9 and 200. So remember at the beginning, guys, we said if we break down below that 1849 area right in here, all right, look to scalp all the way back down to maybe 1845, 1830, I would say 1840 maybe if we get down the continuation. All right, so I mentioned to you guys I'm not using a large lot size on that entry. Just wanted to see, I wanted to see this level right in here, okay, as well as that 9 and 200 EMA hold. So if we break down, guys, all right, like I said, we're going to eat healthy sells coming back down right now to our daily. And everything is pushing. So go watch NASDAQ to 1237, most likely coming back. All right, we're not getting some clean breakdown just yet, but we'll watch and see some of these levels probably during market open. All right, you can see Dow is still holding nice and bullish. Okay, let's take a look at this on the hour. Okay, so this is momentum continuing before, and let's take a peek here. Look at that hourly flag pattern here. Okay, nice continued volume. And you can see what we're starting to break. Previous level resistance here. Okay, so nice big sell-off coming in. Look at the volume that's coming in on this candle. Okay, so if we get up here, I can see 335.50, 336. Okay, all right. The volume is still very strong. Okay. Okay, so we'll set some alarms here again. We're going to have pullbacks eventually, guys. Just remember this. Okay. Guys, it's about 8:50. I'm going to go quickly let the doggy out for a sec. I'm still holding those gold buys like I mentioned to you, small lot sizes. Watch for this NASDAQ pull down here, okay? I do think we're still bullish, but eventually we're going to get some kind of a pullback here, right? So just watch for both. Well, I'm going to leave NASDAQ on, all right? And we're going to see how this is going to react right here. We're starting to build the base, all right? Nice support holding. Okay, so let's just watch and see what's going to happen at around that noon 9 a.m. All right, but again, I'm still holding those gold buys. We're going to see if those are going to pay off. That's the only trade I'm really in right now. And looking for this NASDAQ pull down. So give me 2 seconds, guys. Let me go let the doggy out. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so you can see short-term pullback. Look at the demand level right in here on NAS. Okay, that's the neutral zone right at that 9 EMA. So remember we talked about making higher highs and higher lows. This is a high. Okay, we're going to test that low. Then we're going to see what's going to happen around this range right here. See if we can start to get a push. Everything is right now on indices nice and bullish, very strong on the higher time frames. Okay, let's look at the 30 big drop. Okay, so these are all healthy pullbacks, guys. Look at gold still trying to retest. Guys, this was around where you took that gold buy, the small entry here. So if you're around coming to break even, you know, and you don't feel like wanting to hold this, looks like starting to form some head and shoulder pattern here. All right, but again, that pattern doesn't always follow suit. So we're coming right near that hourly change up too. All right, so if you guys are watching, great. We'll probably look to trade more at 9:30. If you're in trades, especially gold, you're hovering around BE, so you can look to exit if you don't want to deal with this volume. Okay, right now, judging by the structure of gold, we're not getting above 1853. So those 1850 levels, 1849 looks like a beautiful possible breakdown on gold. Okay, so but we need to get below. All right, you can see now they're retesting again these averages right here, EMAs. So it's good. Okay, so still rising, a lot of volume. Look at the Dow retesting. Okay, 5 seconds here. And look at NASDAQ. Remember we talked about that 9 EMA. Let's see if it's going to follow suit. Volume strong, guys. Okay, we're going to probably 12370 if we get the strength. So higher time frame. Let's take a look at that DXY too and start to go back because we're coming last 5 minutes, and there's the DXY still holding strong. A little bit of resistance coming from those 9 EMAs. All right, and you can see a nice long wick down here. We're still pushing into our neutral zone. Okay, so there goes Goldie, starting to make a move. The dollar is getting a nice little bounce. All right, Nasdaq is holding too. Everything is going nice and bullish except for the Dow. Okay, so remember we talked about the resistance here. All right, we start to break down, looking for that 1849 break, all the way back down to potential or 1845. So the short, nice below down in here. All right, and if we go bullish, like I said, breaking through some supply and having our continuation. I'm not shorting until we get down in here. All right, so we'll watch and see. Set an alarm there. You guys can see what I'm looking for if we go bearish, and we can add an alarm. Okay, we're flying on Dow. Nasdaq is still holding. Okay, so watch 1, 2, 3, 7. All right, got about 1:46 before our new hour swap, and this is going to be telling us a lot about structure here. You can see the dollar is holding bullish. Okay, there goes the Dow. I think the Dow is going to have a little pullback. Okay, and then we might continue bullish for the overall continuations. All right, but again, 33431 so far is breaking down. Okay, you can see gold still holding. All right, so there we go. There's the rise. Remember we talked about that 209 EMA. 9 EMA is holding. Good volume. Let it push, guys. Let it push. The Dow was clean. We should have been focusing on the Dow on drop. Okay. These boomers over here trying to time the market in another live stream. Yeah. Yeah, bro. You can sit here and laugh. I love it. But if you took that Dow sell right there, you know, kind of would have been up about maybe 10, 15 pips. So another YouTube spammer coming in, I just laugh. Okay, so strength still holding. All right, very similar to Nasdaq. That's why I said do not enter in anything right now, right at that 9 a.m. Here we go. Okay. Holding, retesting the 9. Look at gold still holding. All right. So just about a minute and 20 seconds has gone past. New 9 a.m. guys, our fixed area is going to be 9:30. Okay. 9:30 is going to be the time. Okay. So keep that in mind. You have big drop on US 30. All right. NASDAQ is getting ready to drop too. All right. So let's watch and say the same thing with Dow. Right around in here, similar to NASDAQ. Market went from bullish to bearish, guys. All right, then watch and see market open. Probably going to get some large volume in here. All right. Let's go take a look at oil real quick. Gold's still holding. Okay. Oil. Okay. Big erratic sell. And you can see the long bottom wick that's holding oil. Okay. How many times have you seen oil done this before? As soon as oil, if it breaks that 209 EMA, look for this big move on oil about to happen. Ouch, no, I'm not. I'm going to wait for market open. I'm down $1.15 on gold buys right now. And I'm going to smash larger lot sizes if they start to go in this continuation. Okay, and there goes Dow. Scotty, I hope you exited Dow, bro. All right, and let's see NASDAQ too. It's still holding. I don't know if they're going to let the market drop with NASDAQ, guys. This is still very strong. Okay, so wherever that YouTube spammer was that says we're trying to time the market, you know, if you guys were taking Dow sells, I personally didn't take it, but you can see here, if you did, you know, he could have talked less and maybe taken one of these trades, and you're up maybe 24 pips. Okay, coming to a level of demand. Okay, I noticed this top wick right here on the Dow. All right, so again, remember, longer term, we're bullish, guys. Okay, on US 30, NASDAQ. So just keep that in mind. Short-term healthy pullbacks can happen, and you can still see what's going on with the Dow. Just want to see if NASDAQ's going to follow suit. No, not all the time, Anush. They don't always move in the same. Remember, they have different equities amongst the whole entire indice. So just keep that in mind. Okay. So here we go, guys. First 5 minutes has now entered. Take a look at what's happening now. Long bottom wick. Okay. So let's drag this down here. And you can see this is the buyer's area sitting in on the Dow. So if we break here, guys, like I said, we're making a next leg up with some previous consolidation. So expect some pullback like we talked about, and then maybe an overall bigger move at market open. Okay. Okay, I took a small NASDAQ sell here, guys. I was in from the top. So we're going to see if it's going to play out. I'm just telling you this because this is my trade, smaller lot size, very similar to gold. I want to see the range we can get with these indices and everything today. Okay. So still see holding right at that 9 EMA. Am I still holding the gold buy? Yes, I am. I'm down $1.14, and I'm about to add some around market open if we can get going in our way. Okay, so remember, if you guys are in gold buys, we're coming to a key area where the original gold buy started. Okay. If you're not happy again and you're still holding, okay, look to secure. This was the area that I mentioned if you guys were entering gold buys. This is it. I'm still holding. Okay. If we don't close above, it is what it is. All right. Look at GU coming back down too. All right. Look at oil gathering some of that big liquidity right around that 9 and 200. US 30 dropping. You can see NASDAQ took a big drop. Okay, so see right in here, quick little scalp. Right into our liquidity. Okay, I need to see us break here. If we're not breaking here, okay, I'm telling you what's going to happen. Come back in here, we made a high, make a low right on demand, okay, and then we're going to start to walk our way up. Okay, so we're coming to about a minute and 30 left. Okay, let's go see that dollar here. Still mid-range. So you can see all the movement on the DXY. All the indices started to move. You can see NASDAQ went bullish, Dow went bullish, and now still holding bullish. Okay, you can see gold is still holding mid-range right around that 9 and 200 EMA. So let's see what's going to happen on gold here. So 1852.5 key resistance. Okay, you can see the range we're in, just hovering around these moving averages. And again, remember to the left, another area resisted by the overall sellers. Okay, so new candle open. You can see they're starting to close it below. Okay, rejected, tapping supply again, closing below. Look at how consolidated these moving averages are. It looks like an inverse head and shoulder for sure. Okay, but we just got to see some play through here. need some push, guys. More volume stepping in now. This is what we need. It's a heavy supply zone, heavy sell area here. NASDAQ is breaking down too. Look at Dow. Okay, NASDAQ. So another rejection, guys. Okay, so this is telling you we have how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this, impulsive pushes, guys. This is a key level. I'm telling you right now. How many rejection levels are we going to get here? Oh, guys, I am eating now. See, rejection here. Look at that. Clean cut resistance again. All right, another clean rejection. Don't get greedy, guys, if you're still holding gold. Okay, I will send you the screenshot of mine in the free FX group for everyone saying, you know, gold is going to sell. Hopefully you guys are holding in small lot sizes. Okay, again, I do think eventually it can break down, but right now this is bullish. Guys, did anyone end up holding gold with me on that? Now remember, I am a believer that gold can retrace. Okay, that is the second option of gold that gave us a nice little leg up. Some people held, some people didn't. Okay, I still believe that this is going to break down. That was our alleviation right there. Okay, I told you I am securing. All right, look at the big rejection. Okay, why? Look it to the left. Big sell zone right in here. Okay, so again, when gold breaks down below 1849, that is my area I'm looking for my sell. Okay, and if it still goes, guys, we're looking at making higher highs above this previous structure. Dow's breaking down, NASDAQ's breaking down. I'm running 4 pips on NASDAQ. The weed, of course I did. I got people to prove wrong here, man. Okay, so remember we talked about dip liquidity buys here. Okay, it's exactly what's happening. All right, big sell off into the liquid pool. All right, getting now testing that 9 EMA. I'm out of everything, guys. Okay, short-term pullbacks. I'm looking for these things to break. All right, I do believe that NASDAQ and Dow are going to be nice potential bullish breaks. Okay, but after market open. Okay, and you can see gold still in that range. No, I do not have any lot sizes on gold anymore. I exited. You can check the free FX group if you would like to see it. I'll drop the link in there so you can take a nice little peek. $300 likes, guys. Okay, if you guys want me to stay to like 10:15, 10:30, guys, let's see if we can smash these to 500. If we can get 500 likes on every single stream this week, I guarantee we're going to do a marathon on Friday for NFP. All right, you guys saw it. All right, if we can, YouTube guys, we can smash this 500. We'll go on YouTube. If not, we'll just go into our private room. Nice 5-hour session. All right, let's see if we can get this momentum push. Let's see if we can break through the resistance, guys, of 300 and get to 5. All right, let's watch gold here too. All right, GU still holding. Indices are coming right back up. Bearish. Okay. That's why I said look for those short-term pullbacks. That's why you secure when you secure. In terms of Goldie on the higher time frame, okay, there goes indices drop. There goes gold rejection again. Okay. Let's look at gold on the higher. All right, on the 4-hour. Look at where we're right at. So you can see the indecision. Look at this volume here. To me, this looks bullish right now on the 4-hour. But again, look at the hovering of that 9 and 200 EMA. If this little white line crosses that 200, you can start to see gold start to walk up back to 1855. There goes the Dow. The Nasdaq is still holding. Okay, guys, I've taken a total of 13 pips today. All right. Gold and Nasdaq are the only ones that I've done. That's it. Okay. Now I'm just watching for market open to happen here. Okay. This is holding support. All right. So remember we talked about this. I like this high wick right here. There was no clean engulfing candlestick. All right. If you guys can see that big resistance coming in at the next previous level high was 3345. All right, and let's see what we got going on here. So we had a nice little sell opportunity coming in right in there. That's what kind of gave me the indication around with that 33430. And now I think we're going to get some buyers stepping in probably in the next little bit. If not, this thing is just going to tank. There's gold still holding. Dow and Nasdaq. Okay, so see the range on this DXY, guys. It's horrible. All right, as much as I would love to say this is clean, this is very not. We're making new lower lows coming in here if we do break this structure. Okay. Nasdaq holding, bullish flag, Dow still holding. And you can see a nice resistance level on gold as well. Okay, so we're now breaking through. All right. For all the sellers, okay, there is about 1 million of them on YouTube, right? Remember, we're scalping here, okay? Like, and this, you know, nice opportunities coming in to play off plate, 10, 15 pips in and out on both directions, all right? So we're still getting sucked right back in to our general previous selling level, okay? I still think that we can make a little bit of highs if we can get past these wicks. All right, I'd say to at least 1854. Okay, roughly right around that area. And here we're gathering some volume here, all right? And this is going to be okay, our last 5-minute candle. So we'll just update everything before. What would you guys like to do? Nasdaq or Dow Jones? Members, you let me know, okay? Let's just take a peek at that dollar. There goes the dollar, guys. Gold is not reacting, okay? Gold is not reacting. Members, you keep doing this. You can see gold is trying to get a little bit of strength. I'm gonna watch this candle close. So we're now making higher highs based on this structure, okay? 4-hour bullish. Remember, we're coming to a moving average cross. Right now, currently, RIP to those short sellers here. Okay, now again, we're coming to a nice little level at 1854, 1855, where there was heavy sell volume coming in. And we got about 13 seconds left. Okay, we'll take a look at this, members. So what we do. All right, got a lot of comments here. I like it. I like it. All right, so if you guys are still in gold, I would look to secure now, okay? How many times are they going to respect what we're doing? All right, watch that 1854, 1855. I still think we can maybe get a little bit up here in terms of that 54, 55 level. But if we get some DXY dollar push, okay, which we're coming to a critical level of support here. Okay, the gold can probably start to fall. Okay, see the support. All right, 104.35, 104.4. Previous level had buyers. Okay. And you can see a little bit of resistance starting to step in. We'll set an alarm here just in case. And we're going to run through the indices now. All right, let me take a peek real quick. Alrighty, guys. No, I'm not holding gold anymore. People thought I was insane for it, but that's okay. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a roughly 50-50 pinpoint between NAS and Dow. Okay, so we'll just stick. We'll watch maybe NASDAQ here. Okay, we'll leave Dow Jones alone. Take a peek at NAS. All right. NASDAQ bull flag here. All right. So 3 minutes left. Let's start to get our levels. All right. Don't use lot size. Don't use large lot sizes, guys. Stick with small. Do not trade 930 open. Okay. Mark one more up here. Wait 5-10 minutes for volume to close. Use small lots. Do not over leverage. You guys get the picture here. Okay. Just basically wait 5 minutes. All right. That's what I like to do personally. Whether it works for me, you guys have probably seen a bit of what happens when we wait. So we got alarms set off like crazy. Okay. Are you looking for buy or sell on NASDAQ? I'm going to wait first 5 minutes. Okay. We're at a key selling level here. All right. But you can see the demand that's starting to hold. Gold is getting rejected here. Okay. $450, guys. Almost 10 likes and 500, and then we got day one checklist off. What I think of ICT, I think it's great. Just make sure you use someone who understands what it is. Sanchez, yep, gold is coming right back down. Okay. I'm looking at more NASDAQ and Dow right now for just under 1 minute here, okay? Look at the Dow getting rejected. And see, NASDAQ is a little less volumized than the Dow. And here we go, just under 10 seconds, guys. Getting ready, guys. Here we go. Little to no volume. Let's see the Dow. Okay, NASDAQ is going bullish like we talked about. Nice flag. Okay, here we go. One, two, three, seven. There it goes, guys. All right. Who are my mentors? Chuck E. Cheese and a few other guys like that. If you guys haven't listened to the stream before, you know it's Ron and Blair. Okay, so get ready, guys. Look at the Dow, big rejection. Let's see NASDAQ here. I would personally love to take a NASDAQ sell right now, but again, it's still heavy indecision for me. NASDAQ is a beautiful opportunity for moves coming in. I can see the volume stepping in here. Bookmap is priming right now. There's a lot of ask and bids getting ready. All right, pending orders. You can see what's happening on the Dow. A lot of indecision. Big breakdown, guys. Even on gold is breaking down too. Everything is starting to break. Okay. Dow. And then gold retesting that 9 EMA as well. Okay. So see how they're hovering it right around key level price. All right, same with Dow too. Nice. There we go, guys. Remember, grab liquidity here. NASDAQ is priming up too. Okay, big opportunities coming in on both. Still about a minute and 49. And there we go. Gold is still trying to hold here. There goes the Dow. There goes NASDAQ. Okay, big volume pushes. Remember, we're saying bullish on indices. Okay, indices are hella bullish right now. All right. Dollar sucked back up, no movement. Okay, indices strong. Okay, gold still indecision. And we're coming to our close here in about 40 seconds. All right, 8-second close. Gold is still holding. Okay, let's see if we can break below here on NASDAQ, guys. Let's see the Dow here too. Dollar retraced. Okay, keep flipping back. NASDAQ still testing that overall zone here. The Dow looks very nice. Okay, same with gold. This is the first 5-minute close. Now we can start to look for some stuff, guys. All right, Goldie's still looking good. A lot of resistance. Okay, Dow is still strong. All right, making new higher highs. Okay, so let it fly here. We'll see what NASDAQ's doing as well. All right, if we can hold bullish on NASDAQ, guys, you can see the volume that's stepping in. All right. Let's see if we can flip. Looking for NASDAQ to break. See, boom. See if we can start to fly like this on NAS. Did I take a trade yet? No, I have not. Nothing yet. Only ones are the same ones as before. This happens all the time. Everyone gets really excited about impulsive candle market opens. Okay, they get sucked in, and then about 5-10 minutes, then the real volume starts to kick in, and you know, it's about a 50% area where people get in and get out. You know, so that's why I try to say, guys, just sit back and relax, let the volume happen. All right, we're bullish. Doesn't matter to me if we miss a trade. All right. This is nice liquidity coming in here. Look at that big resistance on NASDAQ, guys. Look at the Dow Jones. Let's see volume here. That's a rough sell area right on that, the Dow Jones before. Let's just see if this thing's going to play out. This is still the first 5-minute candle closure past the 905 open. And you can see we're still strong. Gold melted. Let's go take a look at gold here. Right back down. So get ready, guys, for the gold breakdown here. Okay, that was fantastic. Nothing even made it above. All right. I like gold. Let's move that up here so this is not a pain in the ass. Okay, look at 1851, guys. Okay, still strong here on indices. NASDAQ is still getting some volume base control, all right, over our previous level demand area. This thing is looking like they're about to pop off and fly. Okay, so let's watch. Okay, let's see the Dow here. DXY is still holding. And we are flying, guys. Remember we said these things are bullish so far. Let's see what's going to happen coming in. This is now the 10-minute close. Okay. If we close below that 9 EMA, that looks pretty healthy for us. Looking like some nice opportunities. Let's just monitor this key level resistance. Let's just see if that sell level was going to be, let's see if we're accurate here. See if that's going to hold. Gold is nice and bearish, guys. Okay, when we talked about this, just starting to slowly fade. Dow's getting some hold around that 9 EMA. Let's see this key selling level that's going to actually start to play out. Okay, so if we can fill that wick to the bottom. Okay, NASDAQ finding some nice level here. Let's see if we can break. Okay, so indecision market open. All right, we're looking, there it goes. So let's see on the Dow Jones too. All right, you can see DXY starting to hold. A lot of volume is still stepping in here. You can see that US 30 is still getting respect at that 9 EMA. And we're still not breaking down. If you look at this on the 15-minute, guys, it's horrible. I need the 15 minutes to clear up here. Okay, you can still see a lot of tall wick, high wick, low wick. All right, I need more of direction here. All right. Watch your spreads too. Today's going to be a spread killer. I know there's people private messaging me asking people to watch out for their spreads. So when they're doing that, that means there's people's spreads that are jumping all over the place. Guys, what are your spreads looking like right now? Okay. What are your spreads looking like right now on, say, gold, indices, commodities, whatever they may be? I like the Dow sell here, guys. I like NASDAQ sell too. Okay, but we'll watch. And it's starting to tumble here. Very slow. Okay, so we're holding still strength. 5-minute is still making that lower level hold on that 9. And you can see gold is starting to break down, guys. So watch that 1851 level here. Okay, that's going to be an opportunity for some sells right around in here. Okay, if we break down, that's the selling volume on gold. Okay, we got an alarm right there. We're good. Okay, guys, I'm going to enter in on a gold sell here. Okay, we're going to see. Remember, this is at the 9 and 200 EMA. This is really shitty area to enter in. So if you don't want to do it, okay, no one says you have to do it. Just watch and see how price is going to move. Okay, this is a small feeler trade, exactly like how I was once doing before. And if it goes bullish, then you guys understand the momentum here that's the trade is starting to go into. Okay, let's watch. Okay, NASDAQ. Everything is starting to drop, guys. Okay, 3 triple wick here. It's a hot mess. Look at the Dow. Still holding respect. So let's watch and see on gold here, guys. All right, nothing made it that high. Just suck everything up here. Okay, guys, I'm going to quickly let the dog in. I'm still holding these gold sells, okay? Small lot size, and I will add if it goes down and even below. All right, so watch that alarm. We're going to see how price is going to react. US 30 breaking down. NASDAQ is trying to multiple bottom wicks here, okay? So just get ready. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this, guys. 200. Volume. Look at the dirty. Still tapping, still holding. This is a hot mess today, guys. Look at NASDAQ here. Strength, guys. Look at Goldie. Still nothing breaking down just yet. Still strength off that 209 EMA. So triple top on NASDAQ was the best one so far, guys. Okay, but you can still see there's still a lot of buyers. All right, there's still a lot of buyers sitting in down below. You can see by these wicks. All right. So if we break down on NASDAQ continuation here, you can see that top wick. I would give it to probably maybe 12,320 for any kind of move, and you can see the volume is still staying strong. Okay. Members, you guys let me know about the Dow and NASDAQ. I'm just going to sit here and watch gold. I want to see if we're going to get below that 200. Gold is being annoying today. Every time we're around these 209 moving averages, you're going to get this type of movement in and out. Okay. You're going to get this type of indecision movement. All right. I say it on every stream. Okay. Every stream. Bullish, bearish, indecision. Okay. goodness, look at this push-pull movement. There we go. So we didn't even make it down to 12.3. Volume is still strong. Why? Look at what we got going on right in here. See how many times we've held that demand? They look bullish, like I mentioned to you, okay? They look nice and bullish. That's why I said I'm not really messing with these right now. We start to break above, and we're going to be in a nice little frenzy for buyers. Okay, so we can erase this for now. Still remember 33431. Okay, it's going to act as key level support and resistance now. Okay, now why support and resistance in previous level sells? See how many times we've broken through this? Alright, so if this holds support, like I said, we're walking our way back up to 33500 and potentially 33 even 550. Okay. Gold is the number one thing right now. I like gold. There goes gold, guys. I'm running 2 pips. Look at that, guys. They're still saving it. Remember we told you 9,200 strength. So let's just erase all this. Is too much. Let's just watch and see here. Drag this over so you guys can see a little bit more of why we were looking for that. Okay. And there's the US 30 bullish. Okay, NASDAQ starting to go bullish too. Gold is not breaking 1850, guys. Everything is holding bullish now. Okay, dollar's dropping. And you can see gold is still popping. Okay, nothing closed below. Thank goodness that was a small lot size. We're still flying high on gold, guys. Let's watch and see now this 104,350. We ain't breaking that yet. There it goes. Just let it play out, guys. Let it do its thing here. There goes NASDAQ. There goes the Dow getting ready. And you can see there goes gold still holding. I'm down $1.28 right now. And if we get more confirmation below this 200, I'm going to smash a nice little lot size on this gold sell. If we go bullish, I'm going to leave it. Ay, ay, ay. What a horrible open, guys. Just play it out with me, okay? Just sit tight. We will catch a move. This is 10 a.m. coming in the next 5-minute candle, all right? This right here, I am really glad we did not even get into any trades. I did not press buy or sell on NASDAQ or the Dow, and you can see why. You guys have to see what I mean by waiting 5-10 minutes. All right? You can can see gold's still rejecting here, still holding that 9 EMA. And even GU, horrible. Oil was the best. Nice cup and handle pattern. I like 1849 for the TP, guys. 1849, 1850. Okay, so right down in here, if it does break down. I don't think we can get lower than that unless price really starts to show us some nice volume. Guys, I'm going to try a Dow Jones sell opportunity here. Okay, let's watch for this 2-minute 25 candle to close. All right. Once this closes, we'll watch and see if this is going to be a nice entry or not. You can see there goes gold. I might sit back and just watch this gold trade here. You can see Dow starting to break. Gold is testing again. Okay, and here we go, guys. Just under a minute left. And you can see they're no longer trying to get below. You can see the supply is still holding. Okay, a lot of lower wick stepping in here. Okay, I'm still holding, guys. It's looking like the Dow's still holding here. Now, as you can see, the DXY starting to flip. All right, so there's the dollar, guys. We are right at that 104.350. Okay, so that's the level we were looking for. Okay, if we can hold and start to break this 9 EMA for bullish trend, you might start seeing gold go a little bit bearish. If it gets rejected and it tests 350 again and we break, you're going to see gold obviously start to go bullish. So here's the new hourly. Okay, you can see we're just starting to open the dollar. First couple seconds it opened bearish, and then you can see it starting to flip bullish. Okay, very short term, no real erratic volume just yet. You can see Nasdaq is coming down. Look at the Dow Jones. Okay, look at gold. Your spreads are jumping right now, guys. Just remember that. Like, my spreads are going crazy. Okay. Just break that structure, guys. Okay, you can see now, nice hold. Take a look to the left. Right in here. Oh, guys, look at that. See what I mean? Look at that. See where they're holding it. $10 a.m. candle flipped everything. Let's see what we got going on here. Look at the Dow still holding, guys. Okay, look at NASDAQ still trying to drop. So everything right off this hourly you can see flip-flopped. And you can see nothing's breaking down on gold. All right. You can see here a lot of volume still holding in. All right. Let's see what happened with this dollar. I want to see this dollar close, guys. That's the most important thing I'd like to see. Oof. Crazy, shitty market open and really bad 10 a.m. hourly swap. Okay. Guys, if you don't want to be a part of this, okay, like I told you guys I was taking a buy a little bit higher than this. If you don't want to be a part of it, okay, you can close maybe 1-2 pip in profit here. You can see that they are still holding. It's up to you what you want to do. I'm running 6 pips, okay. I'm still going to hold this. All right. I want to see this first candle close. The momentum is still strong, okay. You can see by the wicks, 1, 2, 3. There's been about 4 or 5 wicks in terms of body structure that has held gold right at this general area. All right. Ideally, I would like to see gold get back down here, but whether that's going to be the case with the dollar, we'll have to watch. And there it is, guys. See the Dow holding, okay, key level support and resistance. And you can see NASDAQ is still holding here. All right, they're not letting this break down. That's what they're saying here. This thing is still trying to hold with good volume. All right. I think due to all this support level that's held, I think we're going to get that break of 12370, maybe go up to 12400 if we can get that follow through. Okay. So that would be right up here if we can get the continuation. All right. In the Dow, if we fly high, guys, 335, 33600, 33550, nice highs moving. All right, gold, yes. Yes. Drop, guys. Ooh, see that open? Look at that second 5-minute candle. Oof. 1851. Oh yeah, bleed, baby. I'm running 10 pips right now, guys. Did anyone grab gold with me on this? Did anyone hold gold sells? I'm closing at 13 pips. Okay, and there's the dump. I took a total of 25 pips today, guys. Okay, don't get greedy on this. All right, we're coming back down to 1847, 1848 area, 0.5. All right, now listen. All right, right up in here, secondary gold buy was nice. Okay, if you held. Okay, some people maybe did, some people maybe didn't. All right, we were in supply. All right, due to the selling factors that are showing us on the chart. All right, we waited for the break of the 209 EMA. So let's go to the 200 here. 200 drop. Okay, as soon as that happened, all right, that's when gold ran about maybe 10-15 pips. All right, so buy zone for me is 1848, 1849 area, and you can see what's starting to happen on gold. Buyers are stepping in. All right, so 1848, 1849 guys are buying areas here. Okay, and there you go. You can see what's going to happen. Let's take a peek at NASDAQ and everything. Look at the Dow, guys. We are printing. Let's see. Just coming close. And there goes NASDAQ. Nice and bullish. Okay. And there goes the Dow flying high, guys. Remember we talked about nice bullish support? There it goes. 33550. And let's see if target level 12400 is going to tap. Okay. Very similar to Dow. And we're flying high here. Okay, and we got about 5 minutes till the 15-minute candles coming in. All right, greasy wick coming in. There's the volume. And then there's gold. Still long indecision wick coming in. What a shitty... Okay, perfect, guys. Let's see what I got going on here. 1 second. Toro, watch Discord, that 49 level, as I mentioned. Guys, okay, so gold tapped 1848, 1849. All right, look at that big, juicy, healthy opportunity. 1849 coming in. right? If we break above 1852, this looks even healthier. They needed that pullback to break that supply. So let's watch and see here. Okay, let's watch and see right around here, guys. Moving averages. I might be buying gold again. I might be buying gold, guys. See how we're coming in right to that moving average? Guys, if we break above here on gold, that was the original buy opportunity. We're going to see if that's going to play out. It's just getting rejected at that 9, okay? Ooh, you can see the volume stepping in, guys. This thing is strong. GU bullish, gold resisting, Dow holding, and then we got NASDAQ starting to print as well. Okay, so nothing closing above just yet. Still gaining that momentum. Everything is push-pull to me today, guys. Look at that dollar just flopped. Gold is not reacting to it. All right, beautiful follow through. Look at the dollar Jones. You can see what's going on gold. All right, GU did follow suit. Beautiful W pattern here. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a feeler buy on gold. Okay, I want to see this candle close and see how we're reacting. Okay, if this dollar wants to continue to shit, then this thing can start to really push. Okay, so let's just watch and see. I like the long position right around in here. See if we can push. Okay, don't enter in until we get, if you guys are, right above those moving averages. Okay, I need to get above here. Okay, if it sells off, guys, let it go. We'll find another entry down in here. Okay. Okay, so weak volume, still holding past that dollar. Let's see if we get that bounce. There it goes. Indices are pushing. NASDAQ is priming up, guys. there's the dollar still dropping. Next key leg is 104.200. Okay, see what I mean about gold here? Okay guys, I'm in on gold personally. If you guys don't feel like doing it, I'm going to be ending the stream in about 10 minutes. Okay, so if you guys are not wanting to deal with this on your own, then just sit back and relax and watch. Let's see how this gold plays out. Okay, I want to see the higher time frame, guys. Take a look. Okay, so not even getting close yet, just getting held up at that moving averages. Let's see. Isaac, what was the move, bro? Okay, so nice clean resistance coming into our supply. Again, look at that. Clean resistance one more time. Oof, 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 oof. Look at that. Let's go see all the other indices, guys. This is coming to our first 15-minute candle. Let's take a look at it now. Ooh, look at that. Okay, take a peek. Oops, sorry, guys. Look at that indecision right now. Okay. So 15-minute candle, clean, clean, clean resistance, still holding around that same level area. All right, let's go take a look at the indices now. Boom. Okay, so 33550 was tapped. All right, beautiful move following suit. I think we can break here, guys, probably get to 336 even from today. We'll watch. Look at NASDAQ breaking through. Okay, big bullish movements coming in on all indices. Okay, so remember we talked about down here buying and getting into some support. All right, we've built a foundation in this level right here, which had that nice prime. Okay, nice big continued push. Let me take a peek at here what I got right now. All right, guys, 1 second. I got about 10 more minutes here. Okay. 333,400. Okay, on the NASDAQ. So finding some support, guys. Look at that, 104,200. And let's watch 334. Okay. As soon as we close below on this Dow, right on that 209 EMA. I want to see the price level we're going to get here. Okay, about 3 minutes and 16 seconds left. This is going to be our 1025 candle here. Okay. So you can see Goldie closing right above that 9 and 200 EMA, right back into our zone here. Okay. Right back into the zone. So let's watch and see the retest coming in and how price is going to move on gold. Indices are melting right now. Okay, so no real close. Okay, there we go. That's showing some signs. I still notice this tall wick on the top, guys. Okay, so that's the nice rejection. If we break down here on the Dow, okay, you can see level of support that's holding on the 9. Look at that momentum that we need to get through here. All right. I still believe that you can get some pullbacks on Dow, but again, it's starting to build that support. Okay. So dip buys coming in on the Dow. All right, a couple minutes here. Georgie, if you want to sell, man, go ahead. Yeah, it's up to you. Let's just see how it's going to play out. Okay. So let's go low look at the 15-minute here. Big rejection. Okay, a little divergence on the Dow. If we sell Dow, guys, watch coming back to our 33431. Okay. If we hold here, we're going to walk back up even further. Gold's still indecision right across those moving averages, guys. All right, 1 minute, sorry, just under 15 seconds here, and we are coming to our last minute of the 1025. Okay, I'm probably going to call this stream after this. All right, just because it's almost 10:30. Usually we got another stream going on right after. Okay, just want to see how price is going to react coming in off this close. Okay, and we'll give it some time. I quickly got to do over one thing. I have like 3 or 4 people message about the boot camp. I didn't want to do it through this stream here. Okay, guys, watch the Dow. If we do break here, we can easily come back down to 33431. Okay, if we hold, we're starting to walk back. Nice volume here, coming back to 33600, the next leg up for the highs. Okay, so give me 1 second, guys. We have literally 15 spots left. Okay, we had about 5 people join yesterday, and once it's done, guys, this is coming down. All right, it's intro boot camp. Okay, March 14th, 15th, and 16th. So this is next week. Okay, so this is going to be post NFP. All right, intro to forex trading. So we basically go over intro, what it is. All right, what is FX trading? We give you some fundamentals, teach you a little bit of technicals as well, how to get started. What is pips, lots, spreads, what is a pair, what is a commodity, what is indice, just the basics. We talk about sentiments, fundamentals. Last week on Friday, we had one of our senior admins come in talking about how Apple was pushing the market on NASDAQ, and you can see the market ended up severely pushing that day. Okay, and you know, having good technicals as well as fundamentals combined can give you some pretty good insight to be a good trader. Okay, and some techniques to manage cash flow. I don't really like that. It's just kind of going over basic strategies. Carol, yeah, you do. 3-month, good. Monthly members, no. Okay, and guys, just remember Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, we will be playing it at 12 to 3 p.m. and then probably again at night. Okay, so that's just that, guys. Okay, if you guys want to check out our schedules here, by the way, gold's running 8 pips, so it's pretty nice. 5 Londons, 5 New Yorks, 5 post New Yorks. Okay, and then 3 trading workshops, and then 1 Tokyo session here. Okay, 3 trade ideas per day, roughly 3 to 5. All right, and that's all coming included with the boot camp membership. And guys, one last thing here, we're getting rid of our free FX channel. We'll still use it basics, all right, but we will not be doing as much as we're going to be starting to fulfill in our free Discord. Okay, it's just because we are having our Discord here, all right, and it's just easier for us to just share stuff across a similar platform. Okay, so guys, with that being said, let's take a peek at everything that's happening here. You can see that Dow was still holding. Okay, gold made a nice impulsive move, came right back. All right, so we'll see how this market is going to react coming in about 3 minutes. You can see gold, big push, another rejection. Okay, I'm still holding my gold, so I'll post this a little later with the same chart, and we'll see how it ends up turning out. GU reverse. Okay, oil started to break. Oil was probably the nicest trade of the day. Remember I said if it did cross above here, we can get some nice cup and handle action, and that's what's starting to form. Okay, and let's take a look at that dollar, guys. And there goes NASDAQ, and we have a nice little bounce on the dollar, which is at that 104.200. Okay, so guys, with that being said, I hope everyone has a wonderful day. All right, we will be live same time, same channel tomorrow. Like I said, there's 15 spots left. All right, if you guys want to join, once it's done, we're removing that from our site, and then it's going back to everything. Okay, so that is just an offering for you guys if you would like to join, and if not, then we'll see you on YouTube, guys. Absolutely, I appreciate all the likes. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing tomorrow. All right, we're gonna do DXY, gold, and then NASDAQ or the Dow. So we'll watch both. Okay, so guys, have a good day. Do not overtrade, don't over leverage. Like I said, if you're a long-term trader, okay, Mondays are generally the trades that start for the whole week. If you're scalping, you see how we did with the scalping today. In and out, 10, 15 pips. Okay. All right, guys, have a good session. Enjoy your post session here with the Zoom group, and then YouTubers will see you tomorrow, same time, same channel. All right, guys, God bless. Rock on. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell. Okay, I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, you guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is
honestly,
zero commission.
Were a little bit off for me.
Here at AAAFX,
short-term
we offer ultra-low
higher
commission,
time
which
frame
starts at
pushes, and that's where
99
the
cents per
momentum
lot.
continued. All right, so
Our
you see the
account
dollar's getting a nice
spreads
little
start from
bounce.
0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HCMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. with multiple options of brokers on the web. Here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.